everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can create a Dropbox account on your phone device. To do that, first thing is open the Dropbox application on your phone device. Once you open the Dropbox, you will have this option over here, continue with Google, continue with Apple, and there's an email process. So you can directly open your Dropbox with the connection of Google or Apple. If you want to do it through email, you type in the email address over here and then tap on continue. And once you do that, you will be at this page where you need to click and sign up for Dropbox, as we're going to create a new account. Tap that. For signing up, you provide your email address, then password, then you provide your first name and last name. After that, you need to click on this option, agree and sign up. Click on agree, sign up. Now once you do that, you will be at this screen that is the subscription page. If you want to subscribe for the Google Dropbox, you can go forward. If not, you just tap on backward on the top, and here you will have the option of how do you want Dropbox to back up your photos. Back up all photos, manually select photos. You can choose the option that you want. I'm just gonna go manually select photos. Allow Dropbox to access photos and media's file on your device. Tap on allow. I'm just gonna select few pictures and then tap on upload. This will upload that file on my Dropbox account. You can see the uploading process. So this is a way how you can easily create an account for yourself on Dropbox. There's the account detail of yours. Hope this video was useful for how you can create a Dropbox account. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.